All right, I got this piece cut out, as you can see, all the way up to there. And I will put a piece of flat sheet that'll go all the way in here and then come even with this. And that will give the door, because what the door has to do is it's got to open like that. So you got to get all this stuff out of the way so that door has room to open that way. So you can get it all the way open, because before it just didn't open enough, didn't look good. So I'll start putting all this stuff back together, making me some pieces, and then start putting hinges on and seeing if it works. Because you know it's all experimental. I watched a video, and so you know I think I can do it. Yeah. All right. See you in a little bit.